So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic leadership qualities. So this video will be about David. We have here just this question here. It says, King Saul asked Jesse to send David to him because he wanted David to A. Kill Goliath, B. Save him, C. Become Jonathan's friend, D. Marry his daughter, Michael. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, save him. And that's it for this question. So this is where we end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.